Hi, I'm Chef Julio. Today we're making duck l'orange, which is a classical French dish in which a whole duck is roasted and served with a bitter orange sauce. We'll need duck breasts, salt, pepper, some sort of poultry stock, champagne vinegar, sugar, brandy, orange juice, lemon juice, butter, orange segments, and zest.
Now let's pat dry and score our duck breasts before we season with salt and pepper. We'll sear the duck over medium heat to help render out the fat and finish in a 350-degree oven. Once done, we'll take out the duck and keep it warm. Now we want to degrease the pan and deglaze with our chicken stock. In a separate pan, we'll combine the sugar and vinegar on the stovetop. Once it's slightly caramelized, it's time to add the brandy off heat. Back on the stove, we'll add the stock, pan drippings, and fruit juices to the pan of caramelized sugar and reduce until the sauce is slightly thickened, approximately 10 minutes. Mount a beurre. On to blanching the orange zest. We'll dip it in simmering water for 15 seconds, then shock the zest directly into an ice pack. Finishing this up, we'll place the duck on a warm serving platter, arranging the orange sections around it, sprinkling the zest over the duck, pour the sauce over the duck, and serve additional sauce on the side.